Hello friends, long time no see. Today I am starting another little vlog. I am wearing a bikini and a cowboy hat right now because I'm actually about to go head to my favorite beach and just have a nice little relaxing self-care kind of day, if you will. I'm actually so into the cowboy hat, cowboy boot trend that's occurring right now. This one I actually got in Cape Cod in some random store, and then this bikini is 1-1 swim. I don't actually know if I'm gonna tan or lay out that much. I kind of just want to go get an acai bowl and then walk along the strand. But for those of you wondering, my favorite beach is Manhattan Beach here in California. It's honestly so beautiful, and Paradise Bowls is my absolute favorite place to get acai bowls. Like, no other acai bowls compare. I might try and get a self timer photo, which could be really embarrassing. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna figure that out together. And then I may or may not have a date tonight. I say may or may not because I swear guys flake almost every time. So, okay guys, I made it to the beach. This is my little spot. I did in fact take self timer photos, which is quite embarrassing, but luckily there's not really anyone around except people that are riding their bikes by. So it wasn't too horrible, but it's honestly such a beautiful day. I think I'm gonna go, hold on, I'll flip my camera. I think I'm gonna go get an acai bowl and then come back down and sit because I'm really hungry, but I want to watch the ocean and sit, but I want to be eating the acai bowl, so I'm gonna go do that. This is my ideal setup. I get the chocolate arc and add blueberries. It's so good, guys. I just love it here so much. So I'm gonna eat this before it melts and then probably just chill for a bit. Okay friends, I am back from the beach, and as much as I love the beach, there is no worse feeling than getting back from the beach and being like sweaty and smelly and sandy. So I am going to shower, but before I get into the shower, I want to show you some new products that I got from Uberliss, and I will be using them on my hair in the shower. I'll wait until post shower when I'm not so disgusting to tell you more about them in depth. But what I'm most excited to try is the Uberliss Bond Sustainer in Platinum Jasmine. So as you guys can tell, my hair is blonde and highlighted, but I always like to use some sort of product to help maintain the cool tones because I personally just love like the cool platinum look in my hair, and I've heard amazing things about this product. So I'm gonna try this out in the shower. And then I also got a giant one of their hydrating conditioner. I use conditioner way faster than shampoo, and I feel like that's pretty common. Let me know which one you guys run out of sooner, but it's always the conditioner. So I got this giant one, and then I also have the Uberliss Frizz Elixir. I'm gonna use this post shower. I think I'm just gonna wear my hair natural, so I think this will be good to use after. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then I'm probably gonna clean up my apartment because I think that guy is coming over to cook tonight. Don't worry guys, it's not a stranger. I've hung out with him a few times. But yeah, I need to clean, and then hopefully by then my hair will be dry and we can see how this works, and I can tell you guys a little more about the products. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day now. I did not film my post hair for a few reasons yesterday. First of all, I was kind of rushing because like I said, I had that date, and then I realized it was dark out, so you couldn't really see my hair anyways. So it is now the next day. I figured I would show you guys in the daylight. I'm also pet sitting little Desmond today, so if you hear any snoring, that is why. But as I mentioned yesterday, I used this Uberliss Bond Sustainer in Platinum Jasmine yesterday, and I mean, I love how my hair is looking. I think it did a great job. I find that if I don't keep up with products like this that help with brass. It gets brassy almost immediately, so I'm really happy to have this product. This stuff uses patented, I'm so bad at saying that word, submicron technology to repair hair damage, strengthen fiber elasticity, and reduce breakage, which is all things that I find I need even more because I do bleach my hair and really like that platinum look. I'm going to link this in the description, and I'll also link the 2 other products I showed you, the conditioner and then the spray that I used. I used all 3 of them yesterday, and like I said, my hair feels really, really nice, really healthy, and I feel like the color looks really great. So yeah, thank you to Uberliss for sponsoring this video. Really a great product, and I'm always getting questions about how I keep my hair this blonde, so loving this. Today, so far, I picked up Desmond. I took him on a nice walk. It's just really hot out today, and pugs don't do amazing in the heat, so not for too long. Then I came back here. I had a call with a recruiter about a job. I talked to my parents for a little bit. I'm getting ready to go and drop him back off, and then I think I'm gonna go out with a couple of my friends tonight, so I will show you guys once I get all ready and all of that. I'm honestly so tired from last night because I made drinks here, and honestly, whenever I drink, I don't sleep very well, so I might need to take a nap or something, but that's the plan for today. Nothing too crazy, but I will keep you guys posted. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, he peed on my floor and he's been looking guilty ever since, haven't you? Are you guilty? Are you guilty? I thought so. I'm gonna go to drop him off now, but this is him saying bye to the vlog. Bye, Desmond. Okay, I just got ready. It was one of those nights where I put on so many different outfits and I just hated all of them, and somehow I landed on some variation of slutty cowgirl. So I'll show you. It is kind of giving cowgirl spaceship moment, but okay, sorry if my mirror's dirty. This top is from Revolve. I love this top. I'm pretty sure they still sell it. I'll link it down below. I just have my hair up in a ponytail. I've been wearing my hair up a lot more lately, and it's honestly just so nice because I get so sweaty. This little faux leather mini skirt is by the brand Steel. It's so tiny. It's kind of scary from the back, but I always need my skirts to be really short because I'm short, so if they're too long, it just doesn't look right. And then I'm wearing these white cowgirl boots from Yes Style. I feel like this is overexposed. Hold on. Okay, maybe this is better. I'm also getting a stomach ache all of a sudden, so that's not great. This is the outfit. I'm not gonna bring my camera out to the bar for obvious reasons, but I'm gonna try really hard to vlog on my phone at least once I get to my friends. I'm going to my friend Caitlin's, and then I think we're gonna go out in Venice. I don't know where yet, but TBD. Good morning, friends. Did I vlog last night? Not really. We ended up going to this new bar called Winston House. It's like the new cool spot. People always ask me where I go out, so that was our first time going there. It was fun. We got in and out after. Now it's the next morning. As you can see, I'm wearing workout clothes. I'm going to meet Caitlin, and we're gonna go on like a little walk hike with her dog, and then we're gonna go to like the farmer's market nearby in Playa Vista. And I'm actually excited for this little walk hike we're doing because it's this path right next to LMU, which if you don't know, I went to LMU for a year before transferring to USC, and the view of that campus is just beautiful, and there's like this really pretty walking path around it that I somehow never did. So that's the plan for today. I'm wearing this trucker hat from Aviator Nation, these red sunglasses, which I think are so fun. I got them on the street in New York for $10. I love them. And then just a red sports bra and some little biker shorts. These are Girlfriend Collective. I think this is like Morgan Stewart's line. And then just some sneakers. But yeah, I am running a little late, so I'm gonna head over there and I will bring you guys along. All right, we're on the way. Sydney is here. Caitlin is here. Kaya's here. Kaya's here. And we are entering the Playa Farmers Market.
Oh,
I got a taco. Kaya wants the taco. Okay, this is the goal. We're trying to get up there. TBT to my old school, but we don't really know how. So we're gonna figure it out. So we ended up not even being able to find the right point on the path. And if we were walking around, we walked like 3 miles trying to find the right spot. So we finally just gave up and went to Sweet Greens. So I got the kale Caesar. We will try and find it another time, but yeah, that's honestly what happened. I'm somehow going out again. I just called an Uber, so I need to rush, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. This little top is one of those like long wrap top things. I got it on Amazon, so I'll link it down below. The jeans, they're not really jeans, they're more like stretchy pants, but these are Revice. And then I'm just wearing my Doc Martens to be comfy. But yeah, I really like this outfit. It's comfortable, but I think it's fun. So yeah, hopefully I will not get too hungover. Good morning, everyone. It is now Sunday. I just got out of bed. However, it is 11:44. I was supposed to pet sit today. So I had an alarm set, and then Desmond's owner had texted me and said she actually did not have to work today, so I don't have to watch him. So kind of sad because I love him, but also I got to stay in bed. And here's the thing about LA is the weather is always so nice that I feel guilty if I'm not going to do something outside. But I kind of just want to like get my life in my apartment together today. And it's also 90 degrees out, so that is a little hot. I am wearing a sweatshirt. I thrifted this the other day. It just says La Jolla Beach and Tennis Club. I thought it was kind of cute. But yeah, it is in fact 90 degrees out already, which is a little bit warm, unless I was going to the beach or something. So that's kind of my excuse to not, you know, do an outdoor activity. I need to clean up. I literally still have not done the dishes from the other night when that guy came over to cook, which I know is gross. I hate having dishes in my sink, but I'm so bad at doing them, especially like over the weekend and stuff. So I need to do that. I actually do have a dinner reservation tonight with a friend, but we kind of just made it on a whim and I feel like we're not gonna go. So I might cancel that, and I really wanna make my own pasta tonight. There's like a little cafe in New York called Ruby's, and they make the best like spicy Italian sausage rigatoni. And I kind of want to try to recreate that later. So that's kind of all that's on my list today. I'm sure I will go outside and do a walk or something, maybe later in the day when it cools off. But that's my little update. I think, yeah, first step is going to be to make a coffee and then start doing the dishes, because just knowing that they're in there is stressing me out. I'm about to start cleaning my kitchen, but I made some breakfast, or I should say lunch first. Just a nice latte. And then I just made some scrambled eggs with some seasonings. I just went to the store and grabbed the remaining ingredients that I needed to make the pasta that I want to make. I had most of everything, but this is what I needed, minus these gummy bears. I'm about halfway done. It's looking really good, guys. Like, I think it's gonna be really good. So I'm very excited, but of course I will show you guys the finished result. Guys, it looks amazing. Like, not even to toot my own horn, but this looks just like theirs. So I'm gonna try it. I will let you guys know, but I'm very proud. I mean, she's just gorgeous. Hello, it is now like 8 p.m. and I, as well as I'm sure many other people, got sucked into Squid Game on Netflix. I've now been watching it for hours. I'm on episode 6. It's so disturbing, but you can't look away, you know? But I wanted to edit this video today, so I'm about to take a little break from Squid Game and start editing this. But let me know your thoughts if you guys are watching it too. Definitely disturbing, definitely not the most ideal thing to be watching at night when I live by myself, but you know, here we are. Good morning, guys. I apologize for my appearance, but I did just want to end off this vlog because I didn't do it last night. I ended up binging and finishing Squid Game, so definitely disturbing, but do recommend. But I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.